Welcome to Vidhera English. In this lesson, we will practice English together through shadowing. Listen carefully and repeat every sentence aloud after me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep speaking with confidence. Let's begin. Hello everyone. My name is Peter. I am happy to see you here today. I am learning English because I want to speak with confidence. I know that learning a new language takes time, but I enjoy the process. Every day I try to learn something new. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I do not feel discouraged. Mistakes help me improve. I believe that regular practice is the key to success. I listen carefully, I speak slowly, and I try to use English whenever I can. My dream is to communicate with people from different countries. English helps me connect with the world, so I practice a little every day. I live with my family in a peaceful neighborhood. My family is very important to me. We support each other and spend time together whenever we can. We enjoy talking about our day, sharing meals, and helping one another. A happy home gives me energy and motivation. I always try to be kind and respectful to everyone around me. I believe that small acts of kindness can make a big difference. My day usually starts early in the morning. I wake up with a positive attitude and feel thankful for a new day. After getting out of bed, I make my bed because I like to keep my room clean and organized. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for the day. Sometimes I stretch for a few minutes because it helps my body feel active. After that, I drink a glass of water. It makes me feel fresh and ready to begin my morning. Next, I prepare my breakfast or enjoy breakfast with my family. I like to eat healthy food because it gives me energy for the whole day. While eating, we often talk about our plans. Sometimes we laugh together, and sometimes we discuss important things. These simple conversations make our mornings pleasant. After breakfast, I spend some time studying or working. I always try to stay focused on my tasks. I make a list of the things I need to do, and I complete them one by one. When I finish one task, I feel motivated to continue with the next one. Sometimes the work is easy, and sometimes it is difficult, but I remind myself not to give up. I know that every small step brings me closer to my goals. I also spend time improving my English. I read simple articles, learn new words, practice speaking, and listen to English conversations. Sometimes I repeat the sentences aloud because speaking helps me remember them better. I do not worry if my pronunciation is not perfect. I know that improvement comes with practice. Every day I become a little better than yesterday, and that gives me confidence. In the afternoon, I take a short break. During my break, I like to relax for a few minutes. Sometimes I listen to music, read a book, or simply enjoy a quiet moment. Rest is important because it helps me stay fresh and productive. After my break, I continue my work or studies with a clear mind. When I am at home, there are always small things to do. I like to keep my room neat. I put my books in the right place, fold my clothes, and clean my desk. A clean room helps me concentrate better. Sometimes I help with household chores. I wash the dishes, sweep the floor, water the plants, or arrange things around the house. Helping at home teaches responsibility, and it also makes everyone feel happy. Sometimes I help prepare a meal. Cooking can be enjoyable because I learn new skills and spend time with my family. Even if I only wash vegetables or set the table, I feel that I am contributing. After the meal, we clean the kitchen together. Working as a team makes every task easier. In the evening, I like to go for a walk if the weather is nice. Walking helps me relax after a busy day. I enjoy looking at the trees, watching people, and breathing fresh air. Sometimes I meet my neighbors and have a short conversation with them. Simple conversations help me become more confident in speaking English. When I return home, I spend some time with my family. We talk about our day and share our experiences. Someone may tell a funny story, while another person may talk about work or school. Listening to others is just as important as speaking. Good communication helps us understand each other better. Sometimes I watch an educational video or read an interesting article. I enjoy learning new ideas because knowledge helps me grow. I believe that learning should never stop. Every day is an opportunity to discover something new. Even a small piece of information can become useful in the future. I also enjoy reading books. Books teach me new words, improve my imagination, and help me understand different people and cultures. Sometimes I read only a few pages, and sometimes I read for a longer time. The important thing is to make reading a regular habit. On some days, I exercise at home. Exercise keeps my body healthy and my mind active. I do simple workouts, stretch my muscles, and try to stay consistent. I know that good health is very important. Eating healthy food, exercising regularly, drinking enough water, and sleeping well help me live a balanced life. Sometimes things do not go as planned. I may feel tired, make mistakes, or face challenges. However, I remind myself that every successful person has difficult days. Instead of giving up, I take a deep breath, learn from my mistakes, and keep moving forward. A positive attitude helps me overcome problems. I enjoy spending time at home because it is a place where I feel safe and comfortable. Sometimes I sit by the window and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes I organize my bookshelf or clean my study table. These small activities make my home feel peaceful and welcoming. Technology is also a part of my daily life. I use my phone and computer to learn, communicate, and find useful information. However, I try not to spend too much time on social media. Instead, I focus on activities that help me learn something valuable or improve my skills. I like setting goals for myself. Some goals are small, and some are big. For example, I may decide to learn 10 new English words this week or finish reading a book this month. When I achieve a goal, I feel proud of myself. Then I set another goal and continue improving. Before dinner, I usually finish any remaining work. Then I enjoy dinner with my family. We talk, laugh, and spend quality time together. I believe that sharing meals brings people closer. It is one of the best moments of the day. After dinner, I like to relax. Sometimes I read, sometimes I listen to calm music, and sometimes I review the new English words that I learned during the day. Revising helps me remember them better. I also think about what I accomplished and what I can improve tomorrow. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I arrange my books, organize my desk, and make a simple plan. Planning ahead saves time and reduces stress. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready to sleep. As I lie in bed, I think about the good moments of the day. I feel grateful for my family, my health, and the opportunity to learn. I know that every new day brings another chance to become a better version of myself. I close my eyes with hope, confidence, and a positive mindset. This is my daily life. It may seem simple, but every small habit helps me grow. I believe that learning English, working hard, helping others, staying healthy, and maintaining a positive attitude can make life better. I know that I still have many things to learn, but I am excited about the journey. Every day I take one more step toward my dreams, and I never stop believing in myself.